introduce yourself? Umiinom BGC, ako nga pala si Pablo! Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala si Josh. What is up, BGC? It's your boy, Dale! BGC! You have to check the crowd first. Yeah. How are you guys doing? Are you guys having fun? Let's do it one more time. BGC, make some noise! Yung pinakalakas na kanya ng 3, 2, 1! Wow! That was really something for tonight. We are very happy to be here. Are you guys happy to see us? We're very happy to spend the New Year's Eve with you. And of course, Josh, you want to say something to everyone?
Yeah. I know you guys have been here for about a couple of hours already. So, I know na medyo nag-iipin mo na ulit tayo ng energy para sa countdown. Is that correct?
Yes!
And madali na kayo with all of your family? Yes, maraming salamat po syempre. For spending your time visiting us and BGC ngayon and spending your New Year together with us. Di ba kasabihan, kapag kasama nyo sa New Year, eh magkasama ka na kayo for the rest of the year. So, kahit ba kayo kasama nyo kami for the rest of the year? Okay ha? Nakakasama namin yun.
Ano nga siya pupunta dito?
Hindi ba maaga pumunta? Hindi ba late na pumunta?
Pero okay pa ba kayo? Kung kumain ka mga lahat!
Hindi ba daw mamaya ba daw sa mga?
Oo.
Pero sa guys, pinakamahalaga na. Stay hydrated. Kung dami ng tubig, pero kung wala naman tubig, para nag-fresh kayo sa tulog na natin bagong taon. Kung pwede meron tayo, kaya lang po sugar, let's eat life! Ano lang yan? Pwede yung kumuha.
Yun. Bumukita, noong taon na pinagdaanan natin. Isisipin mo, sobrang dami na ako pinagdaanan. We were able to release simula to us with the final part of our trilogy. And then, nakapag-world tour kami. Then, until the last day of 2025, nandito kayo guys. So maraming salamat. We're looking forward for more exciting activities next year. And then sana makasama pa rin namin kayo. Kita-kita tayo.
I'm going to be here with your family, with your friends, with other people. We're just going to have a Here's the time.